Hello everyone, welcome to the third day of our 21-day challenge, and today we are going to discuss about the fear of failure. So fear of failure is common among all of us, especially when you are preparing for an examination like UPSC. The competition is very high, so fear is natural, fear of failure is natural. But this works in two ways. One thing is like this fear can actually destroy you. It can end up in failure, okay, original failure. On the other hand, you can actually convert this fear into your confidence, into a fuel for your success. So this is what we need. Actually, we need to convert this fear into a confidence one. We need to convert this fear to add more energy to your preparation. So that is what is required. You have to take that decision today. That fear is natural. It is common among all of us. If you are a human being, fear is an emotion, fear is a feeling, it will definitely happen to you. But how you are going to overcome that, how you are going to convert that, that makes the difference. You need to convert it, you need to transform it as your energy, as your fuel for your success in the UPSC examination. You need to understand one thing, failure can happen. It is natural, because more than 5 lakh students are actually appearing for this examination, so failure can definitely happen. If there is a failure happen, no, you need to understand that that is a learning process, because we have made some problems, some mistakes in our preparation journey. That's why we ended up in failure. You need to identify that, you need to learn that, and then in the next time you need to prepare in a different manner. So always failure will actually teach you something. So failure is not a bad thing, it is actually a learning process. If you are successful in your first attempt, absolutely fine, that is great. And if you have failed in your first attempt, don't worry, because that is a learning process that will definitely help you in the future examination. So that you need to understand. So this is one thing, that failure happens and then you are actually learning from that. Another important problem is the fear of failure. Fear of failure is like, you didn't even write the examination. The moment you are preparing for the examination itself, you are actually thinking that you are going to fail in this exam. And that is really wrong, because that will actually bring down your preparation strategies. That will actually bring down your energy, your confidence and everything. So that should not be there. A slight amount of fear is okay, because that will actually help you. But if you are always fearful about this examination, that you are going to fail in this examination, then definitely that is going to affect your entire preparation and the output. So what you need to do is, today you have to take a decision that fear is natural, fear of failure is also natural, but my duty is to transform that fear into confidence and more energy to succeed in this examination. So I hope you will all do this. So this is the third day challenge for all of you.